small holes in the ribs, are they reference points for height?
What, these ones here?
Yeah.
They're jigging holes. They're for making the ribs. You've got a piece of wood this side, a piece of wood that side. To make the ribs, you see they've got a small hole in them.
Yeah.
You'd have a bolt through there, so you'd have to need a bolt, need a hole in a piece of aluminium.
Yeah.
You make a piece of aluminium to the shape with the flange on it. Put them either side and then bend it over.
Is that what they actually do with that wood, with that former?
Yeah. And then you got the cutouts in there to make these bits.
Strengthening for it, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's what they're for.
Thank you.
But luckily I've got another one there to take the measurement.
Put them to length, do you?
Yeah. They're over length.
Did you say you've got a new one for the end?
Yeah, I've got the end one to do. Yeah, there's a Paxton block that goes in there, because this is where your trim cables come through.
Yeah.
And
does the block fit this side of the?
It fits this side.
Yeah.
But the holes that the bolts go through are all cracked. So that was the only thing wrong with that one. Was those cracked holes, so we had a new one. Put the holes in and dimple it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is not an easy job.
No. Well, when you say it's not an easy job, why is that then?
Because when you dimple it, you're stretching the metal, and you could crack it.
Those skin pins, do they have a little dimple at this side then, to stop them pulling through?
I'll show you that. So that's the size of your hole.
Yeah.
That's thinner.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And that's the size of the hole. So when you put it through the hole and you pull that through, that becomes thicker than the hole. And that is the same size, therefore it grips. It's not.
They're a different type of skin pin, are they?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a black one.
Yeah.
It goes through the hole, so it rattles there.
Yeah.
Then that is the size of the hole. So when you draw it up, it grips onto it.
Oh.
That's it. A temporary fastener.
Yeah, very good, aren't they?
Yeah. Known as a skin pin clamp, but we call them gripper pins.
Oh, good, thanks.
All different sizes. That's a brown one. That's 3mm.
So the black ones are what, 3/16?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're 3/16. That's 1/8. That's 3mm.
Yeah. Do you use 3mm on this one at all?
Well,
what is the equivalent?
1/8 is 3.2, and we had a load donated, so we used them. They're close enough.
Yeah.
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 It's slow time here.
Yeah.
Like the sun.
We've got the old